Do you want to speak English easily? Let's practice shadowing with a simple story. Day 1. A simple day in my life. Listen and repeat. Listen first, then repeat. Copy my voice. Let's start. I wake up early. I wake up early. Your turn. I wake up at 7 a.m. I wake up at 7 a.m. Say it again. I feel a little tired. I feel a little tired. Repeat. I get out of bed. I get out of bed. One more time. I walk to the bathroom. I walk to the bathroom. Your turn. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. Say it again. I wash my face. I wash my face. Repeat. I look in the mirror. I look in the mirror. Your turn. I feel better now. I feel better now. One more time. I go to the kitchen. I go to the kitchen. Your turn. I feel hungry. I feel hungry. Say it again. I make breakfast. I make breakfast. Repeat. I eat bread and eggs. I eat bread and eggs. Your turn. I drink coffee. I drink coffee. One more time. The coffee is hot. The coffee is hot. Say it again. I sit and relax. I sit and relax. Repeat. I check my phone. I check my phone. Your turn. I feel ready for the day. I feel ready for the day. One more time. I get dressed. I get dressed. Your turn. I wear a shirt and jeans. I wear a shirt and jeans. Say it again. I take my bag. I take my bag. Repeat. I leave the house. I leave the house. Your turn. The weather is nice. The weather is nice. One more time. I walk on the street. I walk on the street. Say it again. I see many people. I see many people. Repeat. Some people are busy. Some people are busy. Your turn. Some people are smiling. Some people are smiling. One more time. I arrive at work. I arrive at work. Your turn. I sit at my desk. I sit at my desk. Say it again. I turn on my computer. I turn on my computer. Repeat. I start my work. I start my work. Your turn. I feel focused. I feel focused. One more time. I take a short break. I take a short break. Say it again. I drink water. I drink water. Repeat. I feel good. I feel good. Your turn. Now listen and repeat faster. I wake up early. I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast. I drink coffee. Your turn. I leave the house. I walk on the street. I see many people. Say it again. I arrive at work. I start my work. I feel good. One more time. Great job. You did it. Practice every day. See you in day 2.